Hello everyone, welcome to English class. My name is Felipe. You're going to be with me for a while. So today we're going to talk about one of my favorite subjects in English, which is reported speech. And the reason why I like reported speech that much, it's because I really like gossip, and I'm just kidding, nothing with gossip. I really like stories, and reported speech provides you with a range of ways of telling a good story. So let's start. So this is going to be our first drawing. These two people here, who are they? I'm very bad with names, I'm sorry about that. So Timmy and Tammy. Tim and Tammy are going to be our main characters in that side of the story, and on this side of the story, in a different day, different time, here we're going to have, I have no idea, Carmela, and the other person we have here is, yes, it's Microwave, I don't know, Microwave. So, Tim and Tammy here, Microwave and Carmela here. In order to best understand the story, you should know that Tammy, Carmela, and Microwave are best friends. So, Tammy, Carmela, and Microwave, they hang out together. They have been best friends for a long time. And both the girls know that Carmela is really into this boy here, into Timmy. Okay, so as you can see, these two people are having a conversation, Timmy and Tammy. And then somehow Microwave found out about that. And when I say somehow, yes, she was hiding. She eavesdropped their conversation, and then she ran to talk to Carmela about it. So Microwave and Carmela here, again, Timmy and Tammy here. Now, in this story, whenever Timmy speaks, Timmy is the main character of his story. You need to understand that when you're talking about yourself in the first person, you're going to be the main character, and which is Timmy here when he says, I like lasagna. So, when Timmy says, I like lasagna, he's talking about himself. But when Carmela listens to the story from Microwave point of view, the story is going to be a little bit different. Why? Because she's going to say something she saw. So, she's going to say, she's going to talk to Carmela, and she's going to go like, oh, you know, Carmela, I saw these two people talking, and it was Timmy and Tammy, and they're like, Timmy said, I like lasagna. So when reporting to Carmela, Microwave is going to say, Timmy told Tammy that he liked lasagna. And here, it's going to be our first pause. First of all, why did I go for he? Because now I'm talking about Timmy. I'm not Timmy in this sentence. I'm talking about Timmy. And as he's a boy, we're going to go for he. Also, although he says like lasagna in the present, and lasagna is something that you like forever, you just don't change your taste about lasagna like that. So why did I change? Why did I go from like lasagna to liked lasagna? And the reason for that is because the original sentence is using the simple present, you need to keep up with the closest past there is, which in this case is going to be simple. So past. I'm going to change I for he, and I'm going to change like for liked in the past. So again, I like lasagna is going to become Timmy told Tammy that he liked lasagna.